Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you what is trend in the Forex synthetic market. I'm going to carry this analysis on the synthetic market because of time. You see, what is a trend? Now, a trend does not actually depend on the length the price action creates. It actually depends on the breakability property of that price action. So if price break a level, at least one level, we cannot say that the market is trending in the direction of the breakout. Okay, so we define trend based on the breakability of the price action. So when there are at least one breakable, we say that the market is trending in the direction of the breakables. So the breakables are actually structures, okay? So this is a breakable, okay? And then this is a breakable. And then if we have one breakable, that is probability of generating the next breakable. If we have two breakables, that is probability of generating the third breakables. If we have three breakables, that is probability of generating the fourth breakable. It becomes a chain reaction. And then if you really want to become serious with trend event in the market, you have to distinguish between breakables and non-breakables. Trade in the direction of the breakables no matter where you enter the market, but never let your stop losses be around the region where there are low resistance or support. You're actually going to place your stop loss where price can never reach. And what is happening in a trending market is that loops actually exist. Those loops are retracement and they are called delayed events. Why? Because they actually delay the direction of the market. They delay movement in the main direction, and most people usually tend to reverse market, which will lead to further losses, because when you are reversing it, you are trading in the direction of non-breakables. So you buy here, okay, because you think that it is over traded or oversold. You buy here, you bought here, you have actually traded in the direction of unbreakables. Now, unbreakables events, when you are looking at them, their endpoints, in your psychology or your mindset, you suddenly see an eye, or you suddenly see the price trying to tell you that, please, I'm going to stop at so point. I'm going to be rejected at an abstract point in the space of the trading chart. So when you are trying to trade a breakable, if you're a good trader, your brain, your psychology will tell you that you are wrong, because the price will move to a certain level, experience forces of resistance and support, and suddenly collapse. And while they are collapsing, they are approaching the breakables and they break the breakables. If you really want to succeed in trading, you need to join my VIP signal groups and channels. So we have categories, okay? And you have to enroll for my courses. Thank you and bye for now.